everyone, I'm so excited to share with you how to create your very own e-commerce website for drop shipping. This is a great way to start your own online business without the hassles of managing inventory or shipping products. I know what you're thinking. Drop shipping? What's that? It's a business model where you sell products online, but you don't actually keep any of the products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, you simply contact your supplier and they ship the product directly to the customer. This is a great way to start an online business because it's relatively low cost and low risk. You don't need to invest in a lot of inventory upfront and you don't have to worry about shipping products yourself. So, how do you get started with drop shipping? Here are the steps you need to follow. First is find your niche. What are you passionate about? What products do you know a lot about? Once you've found your niche, you can start to research products to sell. Second is find reliable suppliers. These are the companies that will ship your products directly to your customers. It's important to find suppliers that offer high quality products and fast shipping. The third one is build your e-commerce website. There are many different platforms to choose from, but some of the most popular include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. These platforms are easy to use and offer a variety of customizable templates. The fourth one is market your website. Once your website is up and running, you need to start getting people to visit it. There are many different ways to market your websites, such as social media, content marketing, and paid advertising. And lastly, provide excellent customer service. This is one of the most important things you can do to keep your customers coming back. Be responsive to customer inquiries and resolve any issues quickly and efficiently. I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but it seems like a lot of work. And you're right. Starting a dropshipping business does require some work, but it's also very rewarding. If you're willing to put it in the effort, you can build a successful online business that allows you to live the life you want. Here are a few additional tips for success. First is be patient. It takes time to build a successful business. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep working hard and learning, and eventually you will achieve your goals. Next is be persistent. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep working hard and eventually you will achieve your goals. And next is be willing to learn. There is always more to learn about dropshipping and online business. Read blogs, watch tutorials, and attend conferences. The more you learn, the better your chances of success. And lastly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through on your website and in your marketing materials. People are more likely to do business with people they like and trust. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to set up an e-commerce website for dropshipping. See you in my next video.